Okay, so I'm supposed to tell you why you should subscribe to this channel as a member, but if you are seeing this video, it's because you already know what I do. I can show you here behind me a bit of what rewards I give to the patrons I have in my Patreon account. I try to give at least one new reward every week. The main idea of this is not about the rewards, but to help me keep going with the channel. I started 10 months ago, and now we have almost 6,000 YouTube subscribers and 8,000 and some Twitter followers. The community is growing, and of course they demand more and more tutorials, but my time is limited, of course, and I would love to do it more often and provide better content, but I have to find a way to sustain that. On my side, I'm trying to put all the time I can to this, because I'm also a father of 2 little kids, and if you are a father also, you know how much time they need. I started a Gumroad account that it's working fine for the moment, and Patreon account that has almost 30 members in 1 month. And I decided to also give it a try with the YouTube membership and offer the same rewards. Also, with your YouTube membership, you get some badges that also show when you comment on the videos. So if you enjoy this content, if you want to help me keep it going and increase the amount of time I can dedicate to it to create tutorials more often, you can subscribe, and also you will be receiving some interesting rewards. The fact that you are dedicating time to this video, it's already important for me. That means that you are interested, you value what I'm doing. So thanks for your time, and even if you don't subscribe, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.